Have you ever wondered how to effectively close a project? Project closure is a pivotal stage in the project management lifecycle. It's the point where we acknowledge that a project has reached its conclusion, providing an opportunity to evaluate its successes and pinpoint areas for improvement. This process is vital, as it helps us reflect, learn, and enhance our approach for future endeavors. So, how do we navigate this crucial phase? In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the steps to effectively close a project. Closing a project doesn't mean just wrapping up the final deliverables. There's a method to it. It's a process, a dance, if you will, that involves 5 essential steps. So, let's waltz through them together, shall we? First, we have project completion. This is where you take a moment, a deep breath, and confirm that all project objectives and deliverables have been met. Think of it as crossing the T's and dotting the I's. It's a crucial step that sets the stage for the rest of the closure process. Next is administrative closure. This isn't just about pushing papers. It's about compiling all the project reports and documentation, ensuring that everything is up to date and that it reflects the project's journey from start to finish. It's about creating a record of what was done, how it was done, and when it was done. Then comes the final project review. This is your chance to reflect and learn. It's a post-mortem of sorts, but hopefully less morbid. It's where you identify what went well and what needs improvement. It's a time for honesty, for learning, for growth. The 4th step is project deliverables handover. This is where you hand over the project deliverables to the client or project sponsor. It's like the passing of the baton in a relay race, only this time, you're handing over the fruits of your labor, the tangible results of all your hard work. Finally, we have project closure. This is where you formally close the project with the stakeholders. It's the final bow, the curtain call. It's not just about saying we're done, but about acknowledging the work, the effort, and the achievements. It's about celebrating the successes and learning from the challenges. That's a simplified guide to project closure. But how do we use this process to learn and improve? Remember, every step of this process is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become a better project manager. So, let's dive deeper into how we can do just that in the next scene. Learning from past projects is key to improving future ones. In the journey of project management, every project closure offers a goldmine of wisdom. It's vital to document the lessons learned throughout the process. It's not just about what went right or wrong, it's about understanding why it happened and how it impacted your project. Now let's talk about best practices. Conducting a thorough project review is a must. It allows you to identify successful strategies and pitfalls, giving you a more nuanced understanding of your project's dynamics. What's next? Documenting insights in an accessible format. Make sure the insights are tangible, clear, and easy to understand, but don't let these lessons gather dust in a forgotten folder. Share this knowledge with your team and other relevant stakeholders. This encourages collective growth and fosters a culture of continuous learning within your organization. Remember, the goal of project closure is not just to end a project, but to learn, grow, and improve for the future. So, to wrap up everything we've discussed, project closure is a crucial process that involves a step-by-step guide. It's not just about ending a task, but also about extracting lessons from each project. These lessons are invaluable for future undertakings. Best practices suggest capturing this knowledge and sharing it for organizational growth. Next time you find yourself at the end of a project, remember these steps and make sure to capture those valuable lessons, because every project offers an opportunity to learn and improve. Until next time, stay productive and keep learning.